What's going on, people? I hope you're all good. I hope you're safe and you're practicing your social distancing. And yeah, so this is not my usual type of video. I thought since it's Ramadan and we're in lockdown, I'll give you guys an insight of how it is for me and my wife working from home. So we'll do like a 2-minute video, four videos, so one a week. So yeah, you look and see how it is. And yeah. So if you're new to my channel, man, make sure you like and you subscribe, and make sure you follow me on Instagram because I basically live on there and it's all about sneakers, food and lifestyle. So yeah, man, you'll enjoy the visuals on that. So yeah, week 1, it's been a blessing. This is the only blessing that's come from COVID-19. Swear down, like, fasting has been a breeze. 16 hours without fast hasn't. I don't remember the last time it was that easy, apart from when I was a child and I used to finish at 4 straight after school. I feel like I'm at college again, man. Like, do college work, which is working from home, then after you just chill and pray. Like, I don't remember the last time I prayed this much, man. It's just been such a nice vibe at home. And even working with my wife from home, we've never really done that before. And it's been nice to see her in her kind of corporate environment and to hear her on the phone and stuff. It's just the little things that's been cool. What else, man? Yeah, so no headaches, no stomach cramp, no long things, waking up on time. Because usually in normal environment, yeah, you'd wake up late, headache, you're sitting there for like 5 minutes trying to figure out what's going on. But at this time, you've got 2 minutes left to eat and it's just a madness. Then you go back to bed after praying, then you wake up, then it's like you're going to work with a headache, you'll mash up, and after a couple of days you're fine because you start to adapt to the routine. But now it's just a breeze, alhamdulillah. It's been easy, man. 16 hours is easy, light work. Apart from that, like, we're watching the news, very minimal, like, and the most thing we're concerned about is the deaths of people, which is insane. I think if everybody does their social distancing and they stick to what they need to do and abide by the guidelines, this will pass, God willing, you know. But yeah, man, week 1 has been fine. My wife and I, we're cool. We're just working from home. We're washing all our groceries. We're trying our best to do online shopping, and yeah, man, it's been alright. Just be safe, innit? Watch out for the next video, though. Much love. Take care, man.